my last video, I ditched and graded a driveway. I showed how this home-built equipment can do the same work as the big tractors. Now let's see how the electric tractor spreads and grades the gravel. It really doesn't matter if the road rock is spread out smoothly. I have my own tractor. The first thing is to move the gravel to the areas that need it. The tractor weighs about 400 pounds, but it seems to be showing the gravel who's boss. After the base has been distributed, I will start grading the road from end to end. I built an angling grading blade to try out. This tool is great for chasing the rocks out of the ditches, cleaning the edges, and bringing the materials to the thin spots. This is now a well-drained and graded road. I did it all with my homemade equipment.